Miriam. I'm looking at my liquidity pools I've got set up. I ain't got much on these, and I thought I'd show them to you because you don't need a lot in, so anybody can do it really. I just thought I'd show you what I'm getting on them. I've got a couple of, like, what you'd call, well, not sketchy, but you know, questionable, that's the word, ones. So it's this one here, this chaos. This one I've like got just £1.32 in. It's not on that one. It's down a bit at the minute, but I've got a chart onto the side and I'm watching it, and there's no bad happening with it, to be honest. It's got like 2.6 million liquidity in it, and it's just one what's been taken over by the community. Sometimes it can be a really good one. When they get taken over by a community, they can sometimes really skyrocket because they get a lot of attention. So I thought I'd just have it as a little gamble token. And same with this one, this AI fun. But to be honest, that's I only put like about £5 in it. Well, I made some profit, just under £5 on it. But it actually seems like a good token, so I don't know. I might keep an eye on it, that one, and see what it goes like. And then we've got things like SHIB, BNB. That's not a bad one. There's plenty in pool for that one. It's been going a while, so I thought I'd go on that one. I've only put about just over £7 in it. And then we've got Link, which is chain link against rat teeth. I like both of those, so I'll put a bit more in that one. And then we've got Polygon Network against USDC. Put a bit more in that one, something like that. Got Doge, SBNB. I like both of those. I've got a bit more in that. Then we've got Ethereum, which I'm liking, and move it up a little bit. And then again, got Ethereum again against the CBBTC. This is Coinbase's BTC, that one. That's quite a good one. And then we've got the normal wrapped BTC against USDC. That's not a bad one. I've got the most in that one. I might take some out of this and move it across to some others because I've already got BTC, and I like this one, to be honest. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, if you can see what I'm getting, so I'm getting 46 APR on this one, 54 on that, 52 on that one, 62, 184 on this one, which is ridiculous. Link, chain link one, I'm getting 206 APR. Bear in mind I'm compounding these as well, and I haven't had them going long, as you see it side. SHIB got 49% on that, and I'm just collecting the fees in SHIB tokens and saving them. That AI fund, 2,448. It's crazy. I only had it going a couple of days, and 676 on the chaos one. So not doing bad. Not doing bad at all. Then I'm just stacking them up. Like I said, I get paid in SHIB and BNB, so I'm saving both of those in fees. I might compound them. I'll see what I'm doing, but at the minute I'm just building them up really. I know it don't look like much, but honestly, it's soon starts to mount up, and for obvious reasons, if they go up in price, you're laughing. But yeah, it doesn't seem like much, but over a day, it still mounts to mount up, and over a month, yeah, just keep an eye on them. And like I said, a lot of these are quite strong pulls. They've been going for a year, some of them 2 years, so they're not really going anywhere. Apart from, like I said, these ones could end at any time, which is why I haven't got much in them. Just want to play around with them, even though I've had this in 2 days and quite a good, well, you can see return on that. But yeah, the other ones I'm just going to leave them going. I might even add to them and see how it goes. So I just thought I'd show you those if you're wanting to have a go at them. I might put some links in on Patreon for these polls, so you get on the right ones. So, yep, just thought I'd show you that. So I'm going to crack back on again.